Hi viewers, welcome to Rajesh Lekharu. Today our topic is sequences. Subtopic is monotonic sequences. Monotonic sequences is definition is first definition is increasing sequence. See here, a sequence Sn of real numbers is said to be increasing sequence. If Sn less than Sn plus 1 for all n, that is S1 less than S2 less than S3 less than S2 S4 less than so on, Sn less than Sn plus 1 less than so on. This is the increasing sequence. For suppose, see example, let a sequence Sn equal n square, Sn equal, see n equal 1 substituting here, S1 equal 1, n equal 2 substituting here, S2 equal 2 square 4, n equal 3 substituting here, S3 equal to 3 square 9, so on. Okay, this is the increasing sequence. Okay, next, decreasing sequence. A sequence Sn of real numbers is said to be decreasing sequence if Sn greater than Sn plus 1 for all n, that is S1 greater than S2 greater than S3 greater than so on, Sn greater than Sn plus 1 greater than so on. See here, for example, let a sequence Sn equal 1 by n, Sn equal, see here, n equal substituting here, S1 equal 1 by 1, 1, that is n equal to S2 equal 1 by 2, n equal 3, S3 equal, what is that, 1 by 3, n equal 4 substituting S4 equal 1 by 4. See, this is 1, 0, 1, 0 0.5, now 0 0.33, now 0 0.25, okay. Now this is the decreasing sequence. Okay, this is a decreasing sequence. Now see here, monotonic sequence. Next, monotonic sequence. A sequence Sn of real numbers is said to be monotonic sequence. Okay, see, if either the sequence is increasing or decreasing, this is called a monotonic sequence. Okay, right? These three definitions are very most important definitions. Next, theorems on depends on definitions. Remember that this one. Okay, right. Next theorem, this is very most important theorem. If sequence Sn is an unbounded increasing sequence, then limit Sn equal plus infinite. Roman number 2, if sequence Sn is an unbounded decreasing sequence, then limit Sn equal minus infinite. See proof. Roman number 1, let sequence Sn is an unbounded increasing sequence, let sequence Sn such that n belongs to capital N is bounded since the set is bounded below by S1 and it is not bounded above. Okay, now see here, then there exists a number capital N such that Sn greater than capital M, equation number 1, and since sequence Sn is an increasing sequence. Now increasing sequence is S capital N less than or equal to Sn for all n greater than capital N, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, now see here, Sn greater than or equal to S capital N greater than capital M. Okay, now Sn greater than capital M for all n greater than capital N, that is sequence Sn is diverges then is diverges to plus infinite. That is limit Sn equal to plus infinite. Sn equal to plus infinite. Okay, this is the first proof. Okay, next Roman number 2, second proof here. What is that? Let sequence Sn is an unbounded decreasing sequence. Let sequence Sn such that n belongs to capital N is bounded since the set is bounded above by S1 and it is not bounded below. Now see here, first proof, simple small change here. It is not bounded above. Okay, that is the limit plus infinite. Now see here, this is limit minus infinite, so it is not bounded below. Okay, this is a decreasing sequence. That is proof 1 is increasing sequence. Okay, remember that. Then there exists a number capital N such that Sn less than capital M, equation number 3, and since sequence Sn is a decreasing sequence, that is S capital N greater than or equal to Sn for all n greater than capital N, equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, Sn less than or equal to S capital N less than or equal to less than capital M, Sn less than capital M for all n greater than capital N. That is Sn, sequence Sn is diverges to minus infinite. Sn is diverges to minus infinite. That is limit Sn equal to minus infinite. This is second proof. Okay, this is very most important theorem. Do you have any doubt? Please comment, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget like and share. Thank you.